So why are some of the elements are given different symbols? Because of their Latin names. This is the list of the elements that have different symbols according to their Latin names. For example, gold. Gold has the symbol Au because its Latin name is aurum. And what you have seen in the last list, that was potassium. Potassium has the name Kalium. So its symbol is K. And also sodium, which has its name natrium. So its symbol is Na. So you need to copy down this list in your notebook and must learn all these symbols too. Now we will start the modern period of chemistry. Who was known as father of modern chemistry? Do you know? He was Robert Boyle. He was the first to put forward the idea that chemistry should be regarded as a systematic investigation of nature. As a result, lots of discoveries were made during later years. J. Black. He made a study of carbon dioxide. J. Priestley. He discovered oxygen, sulfur dioxide, and hydrogen chloride gas. Scheele. He discovered chlorine gas. Cavendish. He discovered hydrogen. The name hydrogen is given to the gas because hydro means water and gen means creator. Hydrogen is a gas which is water creator. It reacts with oxygen and easily form water. The name is also given by the same scientist Cavendish. Lavoisier. Lavoisier discovered that oxygen constituted about 1/5 of air. John Dalton. He gave idea of atoms, molecules and atomic weight, and he was very famous because of its atomic theory. Gay-Lussac. He gave pressure law and also he contributed in finding mass of the substances. Avogadro. He gave method of finding atomic and molecular masses of many substances, and also he has calculated a number which is a constant and represented as Na. This number is called Avogadro's number, and this number is used to finding the masses of substances. You need to learn this number, and in chapter number 3 you will solve some examples of using this number. The number is 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23. Dulong and Pettit also contributed in finding masses of many substances. J.J. Berzelius, he introduced symbols, formula and chemical equation. And also he gave the name organic and inorganic substances. What were discovered by Al-Razi in Muslim period. Later J.J. Berzelius gave them name organic matter or inorganic matter. Mendeleev. What you have seen in the first picture in today's class, that was periodic table. So Mendeleev is very famous because of its periodic arrangement. He made this table. Arrhenius gave ionic theory of acids and bases, and inshallah you are going to study in chapter number 9 in detail. M. Faraday gave laws of electrolysis. In chapter 8 inshallah you will study in detail laws of electrolysis. Next, J.J. Thomson. He discovered electron, subatomic particle electron that revolves around the nucleus of an atom, and this is the apparatus that is called gas discharge tube, and in chapter 3 you are going to deal with it in detail. You will study it. H.P. Curiel, he discovered natural radioactivity. M. Curie, the female scientist, she developed a theory of radioactivity techniques for isolating radioactive isotopes, and also she discovered 2 new elements, polonium and radium. Niels Bohr, he gave atomic model and explained line spectra.